Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can create and verify Alipay for foreigners. So the first thing that you have to do is to download the application. So you just have to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Alipay, and then you just have to download the application. So once it is downloaded, you will see this privacy protection tip. So you just have to tap on agree. Once you click on the agree, you just have to click here to change your country, and then go ahead and put here your mobile number. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on next, and you have to be able to provide the verification code sent to your SMS or number. So you just have to put it there and then tap on next. And once you're in, you will just see this dashboard right here. So if you want to go ahead and add a credit card or debit card, you can go ahead and tap on this one. And then you just have to provide all the card details. So if you want to verify your Alipay, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on account. And from there, you will see the verify now button. So you will tap on that one, and then you will be asked to provide your government ID. So it can be your passport, your driver's license, and any government ID. So you just have to capture it in a clear and well lit room, and they will also scan your face. So you make sure that you're in a well lit room, and then you have to provide the same exact details as in your ID, and also in your information. So you just have to provide all those, and that's pretty much it. You just have to wait for the verification to process. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.